Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kingdeano, and on this episode we're doing things a little bit different. We're not in our van today. Obviously we're in Adam's car. There's Adam. Say hi, Adam.
Hey.
He's trying to concentrate because we're in a bit of a queue. We are heading off today to the Victorian Caravan and Camping Show, which is at, is it Sandhurst?
Sandown Racecourse in Sandhurst.
In Sandhurst. So there you go. Adam's pretty much just said the whole thing. Anyway, we're here to check out the show, check out caravans, accessories, and whatever else is up to have a look at. So anyway, let's go in. We've got a big queue in front of us, so it might take us a while to get in, but once we're in there, let's go check it.
Beautiful. And then there's also an outlet in the shower. In the winter,
awesome.
when you're freezing cold, you turn the water off, you're warm, you've got your gas outlet.
Fantastic.
Also, for your outdoor cooking, there's also like a gas nozzle on the outside.
Awesome.
So,
and Adam, do you want to show us the bathroom?
yep, go through, have a look.
Plenty of space.
Oh, look at that shower head. Beautiful.
And it's, they've added, I was just saying, it's porcelain, not plastic, so over time it doesn't go yellow.
So you got a porcelain toilet.
And swivels all the way around too.
Oh, we haven't got one of them in our house. Oh, that's
For
awesome.
this size motorhome, this is a very spacious shower.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Nice block out blinds on all of it.
Like, it's more living in the outdoors, enjoying the outdoors. And it's really easy to drive around in. So.
Well, thank you so much for showing us your
Thank
vans
you.
today.
Great chatting with you.
Well, I'll go over to this one now and film this one. So you're looking at Adam.
It's a tiny home.
Let's have a look at it from the outside. Just about to head in and check out the window. Go have a look at these ones. At Great Aussie Caravan to check out Laura and Rob's new van that they've gone and put a deposit on. So Rob's going to take us in and show us what they've gone and brought. Alright Rob, so this is a van you've just put a deposit on.
This is the van that we put the deposit on.
And what won you over with this van?
The seating.
Yep.
We love the dinette seating, so we can pull the table and sit face to face.
Yep.
Just the space, like all
Yeah,
caravans
beautiful,
this size are very
beautiful.
similar, but just a couple of extra features like the cupboards.
Yep,
Most
beautiful.
caravans don't have anything here, so
That's good storage, great storage.
love
And
that
I'm
idea.
loving. Hello.
Oh, now this mirror is unbelievable.
Woo.
I think if you touch the mirror, it's got like the clocks on it, the light
Wow,
comes on.
look at that. Oh wow, guys, you've outdone yourself. Look at this.
Little washing
Machine,
3.5.
toilet. Fantastic. And let's have a look in your shower. Wow, look at that. Oh, I hope you got that nozzle. Look at that. Beautiful.
Little people like us will fit in there perfect.
Great.
Nice big fridge.
Yep.
We just loved it. That's what sold us. Good price.
Yep. What's the name of the company?
So this is Great Aussie.
Alright.
Aussie Caravan.
There you go. Great Aussie. Throw them some good extra deals for advertising.
You get a choice of 4 different builds.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure we've got the aluminium build, which is
Fantastic. All right, cool. Thanks, Rob. Now come inside. They've got all these stores set up, so selling different things, caravan related, camping related, and yeah, so it's a bit warmer in here. It's quite nice. Anyway, we're gonna have a look around and check out what they've got. Just found our big 4 caravan park stand, one of our favourite places to camp at. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this episode. Make sure to stay in touch, go down the bottom, like, subscribe, and tell everyone about us. And we'll see you on next week's episode, which we're going to be back on the road. So I'm really looking forward to sharing that with you. Where we're going, well, you're just going to have to wait till next weekend. And hopefully the wind isn't so bad next week, because that wind today was shocking. Anyway guys, what are you doing this week? Have fun, and we'll see you on next week's adventure.